Yo, you ever have one of them days
dancing on the
where
beat,
you feel like just giving up? Everything sucks. No one to talk to. Shit, nobody even wants to listen. Yeah.
You ever feel like you're depressed, feel like giving up? Times are tough, your feet feeling stuck, cemented in a rut. I know it sucks, I've been there before. You're dreaming, but it seems like nothing is changing. The same beat up doors. It's just a feeling of emptiness, heavy like a ton of bricks, crushing your body, mentally need a switch. See, when I wake up, I just wanna lay down. Don't wanna do nothing, I drown in my sorrow while life come tumbling down. And people always try to ask me what's wrong. Leave me alone, cause if I wanted to talk about it, I'd grab the phone. Sometimes I feel like I'm a shell with no inside. I slip by knowing one day I'm just gonna die. So every day I drown my sorrow with pills, cause when I'm high I just forget about my problems. She stays the same old drill. See, I just wanna jump up out of my skin. I'm sick of the way that I've been feeling. I just need a rebuild.
It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this. Not getting the credit I need. It's got me ready to leave, ready to go. So I drink till the bottle's all gone. It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this, but I can't, so I take my shit and I'm hitting the road. Even though I'm falling, I'm never giving up hope.
Yo, I'm feeling empty and nothing else is left of me. My biggest enemy is the way that I think. My thoughts are deadly, and every day I sit here numbing the pain. This guilt and shame is what restricts me from changing. I can't escape these chains. I look in the mirror and all I see is a soul that's been stolen. Someone who's hurting and broken. Depression has me hopeless. I used to walk around with hope, but now it's like the ropes around my neck and I'm choking to take another breath. I'm just a mess. I'm trying to duck the pressure and stress, but yo, I feel I'm infested. I can't escape my head. This rainy weather, the walls are closing in, they're closing in on me so quick I'm secluded and mentally polluted. Yo, I sit here looking at myself, is it worth it to keep going? These issues, they got me drifting slowly into this hole, I don't know where to go. There's a block in the road and I struggle to find the antidote.
It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this. Not getting the credit I need. It's got me ready to leave, ready to go. So I drink till the bottle's all gone. It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this, but I can't, so I take my shit and I'm hitting the road. Even though I'm falling, I'm never giving up hope. I'm never giving up hope. Life is drifting so slow. I just wanna live up to those, but I'm feeling like a stick in the road. Think about going off the grid on the low. Give me a home, just chillin', get rid of the slopes. It's taking time to adjust. I just hope my time isn't up, cause my mind is corrupt. Lying in my bed, just take the pain away. Looking out the window, another rainy day. The pressure set in, wonder if the shit'll ever leave. Stressing over bills, money seems to never ease. But I keep my head up, can't turn to the streets. Just gotta keep moving, that's why I turn on the beats. My mind is confined, they like what's concerning you. I just wanna provide, cause that's all I ever learned to do. Padded in my own cell, my mind's about to slip. Wish I had a ladder in it, I climb up out the shit, It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this. Not getting the credit I need. It's got me ready to leave, ready to go. So I drink till the bottle's all gone. It's days like this, I just wanna get away from this, but I can't, so I take my shit and I'm hitting the road. Even though I'm falling, I'm never giving up hope. I'm never giving up